In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your video background with CapCut step by step. So without further ado, let me take you to my computer screen and I'm going to show you the process there. So here you go, I'm on my computer screen, and as you can see in the timeline, I've got my talking head video. I'm going to select the video file here, and after that we're going to go under video, then we're going to go to remove background, and after that let's learn how we can do it with the paid version, which is really easy. I simply have to click here on auto removal and just take a look. The video background has been removed, and if I maximize it, just take a look how beautifully it's done. So this is the fine stuff from CapCut. So now to add the background to this video, we're going to drag this file right here, and after that we're going to take our video file above so that it will be the top layer and the image file will be the bottom layer, and I can drag this image through the video, and after that I can scale it so that it will look nice. And if I want now, I can add some animations here with the keyframe. So let's do this. I'm going to click on basic, and after that I'm going to click on transform keyframe, and after that let's say I'm going to click here on transform again and scale the image in the background. So now if I play this video, hello and welcome back. This is, you can see behind my background the image is moving. Rafy once again. In this video I'm going to show you, which is a nice effect. Now let's see how we can add the video file into the background. Do it right away. So I'm going to drag this video file and just take a look. We have got a video file into the background. Now if I play the video computer screen, and I'm going to show you the step, it is looking nice, isn't it? Step by step process there. All right, so this was the paid process. Now we are going to undo everything and then do the free method. So let's make a duplicate of this file. So I'm going to copy it and paste it right here, and after that I'm going to align it properly, and after that we are going to go here under video, then go to remove background, and then since we are going to change the background with the free tool, so I'm going to click here on custom removal, and after that we're going to select brush, and then now you can see how tiny the brush is. So I'm going to make it bigger, and then I'm going to select the image of mine. Oops. So here you go. The more time you're going to spend on the image selection, the better result you will get, of course. So I'm going to do it like that in real quick so that you can see how it works here. And you can spend as much time as you want to get yours, to get the best output for your project. So let me just drag this a little bit, and then here is the port. All right, so I can see some of the edges still needs to get the work done, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply proceed like that, and I'm going to remove this part again. So simply select this ears, select that ear, a bit here, a bit here as well. All right, so as you can see, it is being processed, so we have to wait till it gets to 100, and after that we're going to click on apply. So it's almost there. Okay, so let's click on apply, and after that if I hide this track, you can see we have got the background removed. Right, so now what we have to do, we have to unhide this one, and then we can drag our image file between them. Let's drag it. Here we go, the image file is there, and again we can do the same action. Now let me show you how we can let's say I can make the other animation here. So I'm gonna click here, keyframe, and here click here, keyframe, and this time I want this to be scaled down, and let's see how it looks. Hello and welcome back. This is Rafy once again. In this video I'm going to, all right, now let's put the video background just to show you. Further ado, let me take you to my computer screen, and I'm going to show you the step-by-step process. Okay, so this is how you can change your video background with a different image or video file, and the more time you spend on removing the background of your image or the video, the better result you will get. Here we go, we did this. So This was it for the video. I believe you have found this video helpful. If you have got any question at all, please feel free to let me know by commenting below, and check out my other CapCut tutorials from this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.